What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and let me just go ahead and say that one of the worst things that can happen to you as a man is being rejected by the girl that you like, right? It's this horrible feeling. It's like getting punched in the face. But today I have 5 tips that will turn the tables, that will make girls go from rejecting and not paying attention to you to girls being obsessed with you and not wanting to leave your side. Do these 5 things and let's stop chasing after girls when you could make them chase you. Are you ready? Number 1 on today's list is being driven, being focused, and having big goals in life. If you're having a conversation with a girl and she asks you, what do? You can be shy and say, oh, I work in this place or that place, but that's a boring answer. That's not what she wants. She wants a guy who's driven, who's going to inspire her. So go deeper. Even if you don't have a job, literally talk about your dreams. Show passion for what you do or what you want to do. They don't care if your job isn't the best right now. Okay, what they're looking for is someone who has ambition, someone who can show them that they're gonna crush it in the very near future. She's gonna love that passion, and right away she's gonna be hooked. Number 2, guys, you need a good circle of friends. One of the biggest signs that someone is a good person is the people around them. If you have all losers as friends, then she's gonna guess that you're also a loser. If all your friends are unemployed, 30 years old, and still living at home, that's not a good sign. You need other people who inspire you as friends, and then they're going to inspire her and show her that you attract good people. Think about it. Smart people attract other smart people. So you need to have a good group of friends. When you meet a girl and she has a bunch of other attractive, cool friends, right? It's almost intimidating. That's how you want to make her feel. You want her to be like, whoa, this guy's legit. His friends are like high status friends. They're all cool, they're all smart, they all look sharp. That's amazing, so he must be a good guy. That will make her want you even more. Next up, make sure that you always smell great around her. Never get caught smelling bad. By far the best and the most long-lasting physical thing that you can leave her with is the smell of your cologne on her clothes. All right, honestly, if it smells good, she's not even gonna wanna change from that outfit that night because she's gonna be obsessed with the smell. And now that smell is reminding her of you. So next time you see her, she's immediately going to smell it again and she's gonna melt. Wear a nice fragrance every time you see her. And if you don't know what cologne to wear yet, then today's sponsor, Scentbird, is going to make your life so much easier. That's because they are a subscription service for fragrances, which means you get a new fragrance delivered to your doorstep every month. And they have over 600 authentic colognes and perfumes to choose from. And the cool thing is that you actually choose. You pick the fragrances that you want to get that month. It's not like those subscription boxes that come with random stuff and you never know what you're gonna get. Tom Ford, Prada, Versace, Dolce & Gabbana, and so many more. They come in here, and from personal experience, I can say that there's way more than a month's worth here. They last so long, and there's no commitment. You can skip any month you want. Right now, I am wearing Dolce & Gabbana Intenso, and this is so good, guys. And I've also been trying Acqua di Parma, this one right here, and 4 Men Black Edition by Bentley. They all smell incredible. And now you must be thinking, it's probably expensive, and that's where you're wrong. All right, Scentbird is only 15 bucks a month, and with my code, you get 30% off your first month, so you get it for $10. That's so cheap. Think about it, after 3 months, you're gonna pay 40 bucks total and have 3 different fragrances. That's a small collection to pick from for 40 bucks. It's the best way to try out fragrances and find the best ones that you're gonna love. So check them out, start getting your fragrances delivered to your doorstep, and make her not forget about you because you smell so good all the time. I'm gonna leave the link to Scentbird so you can get yours for 10 bucks right below in the description of this video. Whew, this place smells so good. Next up, always leave her wanting more. That's how you make her crave you, right? You make her want more. And you do that by knowing how to push and knowing when to pull. You have to understand when and how to give her space. You can't be all over her 24/7. Because if you do that, she's the one who's gonna be like, whoa, I need some space. She's not gonna reply to your texts. She's not gonna go out with you. So what you need to do is always be mindful of how hard you're pushing. Don't text her 3 times in a row. Don't call her again and again. Don't be asking her to go out with you every night. Make her text you. Make her ask you out. Make her want you more by giving her space and by saying no sometimes. Don't be a yes man all the time. The truth is, people always want what they can't have. That's the simple truth. These are facts proven over and over again. So if you're all over her, she already has you. She doesn't need to try. But if you give her some space, then she's gonna start to think, wait, does he like me? Does he want me? Maybe I should text him to find out. Maybe we should go out together this weekend so I can find out what his true intentions are. And that's how you win, because then she's thinking about you the whole time. So be smart. Don't be all over the girl that you like just because you really like her. Give her some space. Give her some time to miss you, and give her some time to want to see you again. And guys, you need to be confident. You can't win if you don't believe in yourself. All right? I know it sounds a little cheesy and cringy, but listen, you need to believe in yourself. Girls don't want a guy that they are gonna have to push around. They want a man who's confident, who's strong, and knows his worth. One of the biggest lessons that you can learn in life is to believe in yourself. You know, to know that you can accomplish anything that you put your mind to. If you can show that type of confidence around her, then you immediately make her crave to be around you. And by the way, that goes for girls and it goes for friendships with guys or girls too. You know, when people see that you believe in yourself, then they immediately want to spend more time with you. Guys, make sure to check out Scentbird, which is linked below, to get amazing, authentic colognes delivered to your doorstep for only $10 this first month. And if you learned something new from this video, hit the subscribe button below to become part of the YouTube family. We keep growing every day, and I'm so thankful for that. My Instagram and TikTok are also listed below, and I've been posting a lot there, so go check it out. It's Alex Costa on both. Thank you guys so much for the support lately. I hope you're safe, I hope you're healthy, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.